This is an exciting news for you if you're willing to move to Finland. Finland is one of the happiest countries in the world. Currently, Finland is experiencing labor shortage because of the aging population and some other factors. So they are actively recruiting international applicants, guys, and they are going to assist you from your application to your visa processing and help you to settle well into the community in Finland. So they are going to take you through 5 processes as an international applicant. You can see the 5 steps. You can see international recruitment. Are you a nurse or caregivers who is looking to find your next fulfilling job opportunity in Finland? So if you fall into this category, they are willing to bring you into Finland and take you through these 5 processes, from your application to getting your work visa to moving into Finland. And they are also going to assist you when you arrive in Finland to settle into the community, and they are going to fix you and make you comfortable. So they are going to take you through these 5 steps. The first thing is you're going to have to apply, submit your application, attach your photographs and the necessary documentation. The next step, which is the second step, is that they are going to take you through training, and most especially the language training, because you must have at least the basic understanding of the Finnish language. So they are going to take you through that process. And thirdly, your pre-departure to Finland, they are going to make sure the process of getting your residence visa, processing and travel arrangement. You can see it boldly written on this website. They are going to ensure you have a seamless travel preparation. And the fourth one is onboarding and local registration. So when you get to Finland, they're going to ensure that you properly are registered locally, and every other program and integration you need so that you can have an effective working time in Finland. And so the 5th one is career and community support. So they are going to ensure that you integrate well, settle well within the community, and give you the support you need to do that. So guys, this is an amazing opportunity. Now, a quick disclaimer: I am not in any way affiliated to this recruitment agency, and it is stated on their website that this is absolutely free, so you don't have to make any payment for any of these services. Their job is just to make you available to their clients, get you your job offer, and help you to have a safe movement from your application process down to getting to Finland and settling in well for your job. So that is just their main duty. And the first step you need to take now is to click on this apply button right here. So the first step is that there's going to be a free assessment and verification exercise. That's the first stage, so that they will not waste your time. They want to see if you qualify for this opportunity. And guys, it is well stated on their website that we practice ethical recruitment. You will not be asked for any payment all throughout the recruitment process. So any opportunity I bring to you on my channel, if you make payment, you are on your own. I will not ask you to pay to anybody. So any opportunity I'm bringing in, I ensure it is absolutely free. So FinCare is a well-known recruitment agency in Finland that helps to bring in foreign workers, from overseas to work in Finland. So they are going to take you through from your application to your visa application, your travel arrangements, and everything. They are going to give you those services for free, even till you get to Finland and settle in. They are going to give you all the support you need for absolutely free of charge. So you are not making any payment, guys. So if you are a nurse, this is where you click and you go through your assessment. So the first thing is take this quiz, you drop your email address and your phone number so that they can get to contact you. Then you click on go ahead. Then the next stage is your document verification. They want to verify some of your documents. So your first name, your last name, your email address, your mobile number, your age, which country you are you currently based in? They want to know which country you are coming from. So if you're coming from Nigeria or any part of the world, you just select your country. Then what is your nationality? They want to be sure of your nationality. You put it there. The application type. Are you a registered nurse? You put it there. And if you're not registered, you also select just nurse. Then you need to upload your international passport. If you don't have one yet, which I don't expect, you should upload your government ID. So you want to upload your CV. So make sure that your CV is in Europass format. I'm going to try to drop a link where you can see a template. You can just follow it and draft your CV. You're also going to upload your authenticated CTCBSN diploma. I don't know what that means. I'm not in this field. I'm in the finance field. So you're going to upload that, and those are the 3 documents that you're required to upload. So these other ones, if you have it, you can upload it, but they are not actually compulsory. But if you have it, please make sure you upload everything that is required of you. Then you're also going to be asked your national identity ID. That is your NIN for my Nigerian people. Then you're going to click on verify my documents. So you are done with this. You are done with the first stage. So they are going to reach out to you and tell you that your credential, your documents has been verified, and if it has been successfully verified, that means you can move to the next stage, which is language training, Finnish language training. So they are going to take you through that process, train you on the basic Finnish language, so that you'll be able to communicate with your clients, with whoever you'll be working with when you get to Finland. Then when you're done with that phase, you're going to move to the next phase, which is your visa application and your travel arrangement to Finland. They are also going to take you through that process. They are going to see that you will land well in Finland, and when you get to Finland, they are also going to give you the massive support you need to settle in and be comfortable to begin to work in Finland. So guys, this is an amazing opportunity. This particular organization, FinCare, is going to ensure to give that to you. I also made a video for those of you that are not in the health sector. So that one cuts across all the sectors, whether skilled or unskilled, plumbers, electrician, IT professionals. If you're in the finance sector, if you're a cook, a chef, and all of that. So you want to watch that video. I'll drop the link in the video description for other sectors. And I shared it with you, a secret on landing a job that do not require you to know how to speak Finnish or Swedish, what have you, just English speaking requirements. So you want to check that video out if you are not in the health sector. So if you are yet to subscribe to this channel, please do well to subscribe. Turn on your bell notification and support me with your like, share, and drop your comments and questions, and I will see you in the comment section. Thank you for watching.